Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA G3060 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a property, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next option is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. And in search type Canon G3060 printer driver, download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Open the first link or open the second link. I go to the second link, support PIXMA G3060. Open the second link. Here we find our printer driver name or the printer name. Scroll down, here we find the operating system. It's detect your operating system automatic. If it's not select your operating system right or bit right, then go to here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 plain, and if Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. I selected Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the search. After that, scroll down, here we find our driver. This is our driver. Click on this link G3020 or G3060. Both printer are included in this link. Click at here. It's redirect to the another page. Click on the download and our download is started at the top. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is completed now. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer setup file. This setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. And here we find new folder is created or newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. And here we find in the driver folder our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. There are two ways. First way is go to this setup file, double click on it and install it. But simple and the best way is go to the start and manually install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. In an existing port, click at here and select any port name USB. USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on your newly extracted folder. Double click on the printer folder. Double click on this folder. Here we find driver. Go to the driver. Select any folder or any file that you want. I select first. You can select any file. Same drivers on all files. Click on open. Click on OK. Go to the first or second. I prefer to go to the Canon G3060 series. Select this printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Canon G3060. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes or few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then last option, I don't. So I select do not share this printer and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find our printer name. That means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.